Tired of breathing in odors and dust while driving? Imagine cruising countryside roads with crisp, clean cabin air. Meet Spearhead Breathe Easy Cabin Filter. Engineered for F-150, Expedition, Navigator. Up to 25% longer life. Real coconut shell-activated carbon lasts 15,000 miles. 2x heavier than standard filters. Blocks exhaust, gases, and nasty smells. 4-layer protection. Dust, anti-inflammatory, adsorption, and activated carbon weave. DIY installation saves money. Verify fit with the My Garage tool. Upgrade your air quality. Choose Spearhead for a fresher, healthier drive.